You're the only one that seems to couldn't hit that line. Capra actually make it 386.
Don't think so?
Made it.
Seven?
Yeah.
Eats up?
Yeah.
Blue on the right.
CAPRADO's your favorite.
Pretty tricky line.
It's actually pretty easy. You just go wrong.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Straight down.
Better than yours.
Yeah.
They have more articulation.
Articulation. You can't.
They got more articulation.
Yours was too straight.
I went all the way around. Now roll yourself over to the right. Just where that way? That way. Then you can turn up the hill.
Oh no! Oh no!
Then you go up the hill.
Reverse.
Like a Larry.
Got it.
Eight.
Keep coming.
Too wide.
Keep coming.
I barely sneaked through there.
Even me.
Think you already on this one?
Shit. Another gate.
Carl is just a terror.
Focus. Old Padawan.
Sean's got the best score, I think, so far.
Keep coming.
Was Sean driving like he was at National?
Better.
No smile on his face?
No,
That's National driving.
there's no spot.
Good job. Make a loop. Your son didn't show up today? Oh,
No, he's in LA on the job.
okay. What does he do?
Mechanical engineering.
Oh, nice. Making all the big bucks.
Yeah, he's the go-to guy. He got back, went to DC, come back on a Thursday, flew out to LA on Sunday.
Nice.
You know, when you're single, that's like the best thing in life, right?
Reverse.
To make a lot of money and just keep traveling. It's almost like being a real estate agent.
Uh-oh.
Pretty good. Nice and steady. Oh, don't forget it's reverse.
Seven straight across.
I can't let him sneak by on you, man.
That's right. I want to win honestly.
But you know, you might beat you on this one.
Time left?
2:15.
Oh, I got it. Son of a biscuit. At the gates.
Yeah, I watched the video. I had to point out 50-point leg stand.
You know how hard it is to point out a leg sign?
I mean, Alexa does a full job ahead and full interior, roll cages.
But it's doable.
Reverse.
Bigger.
Reverse again. Damn it.
I was gonna say your tires feeling clear. They're not. If you swing around it.
Ah.
Maybe not.
I'm gonna winch.
Up high.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up here.
You need a one to get rid of the penalty. Technically.
Drive.
You could have just not gone for it, and I could have said I finally had it.
Loose. Drive. Loose. Drive. Loose. Nice.
Next one's where?
Right up here.
A hard line.
Like I'm a man. I'm a man.
Oh shit, that's where I want to go around.
It's okay, you're a man. Do it. Told you.
Alright.
Your rig's
Next
different. All the way down there.
Under the lawn.
You have to go to the water.
Just the bonus.
Of that top crack first. There it is. Keep coming. That's right. Do it. Yep. Yep. He's coming. He's coming.
7:15 left. Plenty of time.
Winch. said, no way. Dude, what tires are those?
Big landmine.
Winch.
Right here.
Yeah.
Your loop needs to be a little bit bigger.
Sure. Next one?
Come across the road.
Fat Capra axles, I do this.
That's a wide truck right there.
It's a white truck.
Yeah. Coming around and back up.
That's right.
Not bad.
You might have to ride this wheel.
Coming around.
Dude, fuck you guys. They're gonna buy me landmines too. I told you, bro. Straight. You got this, man. It's right. It's right. It's right.
Hell yeah, good driving, dude.
It's right. Turn up. Or turn down.
Yeah, can you drop off
Yeah.
and go around it?
Yeah.
It's either turn up or turn down, but
It's going.
Turn down for what?
there it is. That's it.
Right here we got bonus.
The other way.
Yep.
Reverse.
Fuck me.
Reverse. Is this cut?
Give me a winch.
Oh,
Where you want it behind us?
in front. Pull it up.
Get out of the fucking brush.
255 left.
Oh, it's really in there, dude. Let it go. Nice.
Fuck myself.
Yep. Yeah, fucking 3 pounds of stick.
Don't have that.
Hey, you shut up.
You can sit on the fucking stuck truck. Look at that, it's all falling out.
Yeah, bonus. Okay.
Step on that shit.
220.
Do it, bro.
Hit that bitch.
Yeah, do it. It's tight though.
Even if you winch through it, you're
you have to
still
go
ahead of the
super
game.
slow. Yeah. Just gate both on 10, okay?
A little wide for it.
There he is. Yeah, drive that shit. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, straight. Ah! Do your cheerleaders batter? Ah! Ooh!
145 left.
Full cable. Full cable.
Straight.
We got some
30.
Yeah, straight. Go back to the right and then as you're turning left, straighten out your wheel.
It's not.
Yeah,
Oh, don't DNF just because of this.
115.
Yeah, Winch sees that over here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not getting landmines anymore.
No.
I was like, dude, fuck you, bro.
It's all good.
No, wait, do you still beat me? You still beat me. Nice. Like candy.
Done.
Like candy.
She still works. You want to drive it?